Hey guys, today guys we're playing Hogwarts. So yeah, so let's get started. So yeah, it's me Trisha again, cause I cannot find my tablet. My mom had my tablet. So yeah, so let's get started. So the version is only this version, cause I put that. So yeah, let's. Okay, I'm back guys. So let's start stuff. So yeah.
Little underscore 8 in its stupid speech.
Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. Yeah. If you want to on, I would suggest to turn it on. So yeah. So okay, tell me what I'm doing. Right there, that you have to turn this on. This we'll check to speech for chat. So yeah, you have to turn it on. Now let's get started. So start now. Okay. I fell. I'm in corner of the way. Oh. Whee. Oh, I made this. It's by me. If you go back, that might make you stare. That's the stair. You have to try on the bouncy bed. That comes. Wee. Oh, try this. Ah! Okay, I will lose far. Yes, I did it! Woohoo! You did it! If you go back, it is easy, okay? Okay, let's show you the tour. So yeah, down. Oh, so I have to go down. So yeah, this room. So yeah. So the tour in the house is this one. You cannot touch. It's only me I touch. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe. Make sure to leave a like or comment to subscribe my brother's channel on my first channel, my second channel. So, bye.